who chanted outside the Alida E. Lutz Veterans Affairs Medical Center Thursday say they want to make sure their voice is heard.
For people who I know who did vote for Donald Trump in this election, they wanted to see government cuts, not from the bottom, from the people who need it the most, but from the top.
More than 1,000 employees at the Department of Veteran Affairs have lost their jobs. For people like Carly Rose Hammond, who sits on City Council in Saginaw, she says she's standing up and showing her support for these programs.
The Trump administration and DOJ are deciding to unilaterally cut all of it without realizing the impact that it's going to have on everyday Americans.
Michigan has multiple Veteran Affairs hospitals and clinics. In Saginaw, the Alida E. Lutz VA Medical Center, they provide primary care and specialty health services.
Support our veterans!
And supporting the veterans is exactly why Benjamin Tenney was out here. As a social worker, he's also a veteran.
And a patient of the VA. So when I hear things like 80,000 jobs are being cut from the VA in August, that concerns me a great deal. Aside from having lackluster care from all of these layoffs, another point of consideration is that these jobs are good paying jobs and they help local economies.
Republican Senator Jim Banks from Indiana calls the claims of cutting necessary employees of the VA bogus.
It's not provable. The fact is that DOJ, President Trump, myself, Republicans in the Senate and the Congress, we're going to make sure that this VA works better for veterans than ever before.
I'm a veteran. I spent 10 years in the Marine Corps. I had combat deployments. And the VA is a really important place because it's one of the few places in America where veterans can come and be fully understood and be treated according to the unique, issues that veterans have, whether it's PTSD, burn pits, or traumatic brain injuries.